In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 using a USB drive. This method is straightforward and effective, especially if you're looking at a fresh install or upgrading an existing system. Follow along and let's make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's start by navigating to the Microsoft Software Download page. To do this, go to Google Search and enter Microsoft Software Download. Once you see the results, click on the option that takes you directly to Microsoft's official site. When you reach Microsoft's software download page, select the option for Windows 10. From here, you're going to want to find the section that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can download the tool. Hit Download Now to begin. Once the download is complete, locate the file, which should be in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to run. If prompted, you'll need to accept the user account control request. In the setup screen that follows, take a moment to read through and then accept the license terms to proceed. You'll then choose Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC and click on Next. Here's where you'll specify your preferred language, Windows edition and architecture, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system needs. Confirm these selections and click Next once again. Now choose your media type. For this guide, we'll go with a USB flash drive, so ensure you have a USB drive inserted with at least 8GB of storage capacity. Click Next and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete this part of the process. The tool will begin downloading Windows 10 and creating the bootable USB for you. This might take some time depending on your internet speed, so relax a bit while this is underway. Once your USB is ready, insert it into the computer where you plan to install Windows 10. You'll want to restart your computer now, and during the restart be prepared to enter the boot menu. Typically you can do this by pressing a key like F2, F10, F12, DEL or ESC depending on the specific manufacturer of your PC. In the boot menu, select your USB drive as the boot device and press enter. The Windows setup screen should appear shortly after. Here you'll select your language, time and keyboard input before clicking next, followed by install now. At this step, enter your product key if you have one, or choose the option to activate later if you don't. Remember to match the Windows edition to your license, accept the license terms, navigate to Custom, install Windows Only Advanced, and choose the unallocated space as your installation target. With everything in place, Windows will start installing, and your PC will reboot several times through this. Keep your USB connected until the installation is entirely finished. Once done, follow any final setup prompts on screen. And that's it. After setup finalizes, you'll be greeted with the Windows 10 desktop ready to explore and customize. Congratulations on completing your Windows 10 installation via USB. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.